Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the croquet stitch. Alright, this is an interesting one because you are all over the place with this stitch. If it's one you want to try, now's a good time to pause and copy this or take a screenshot if you're on a mobile device. There you go. But how this stitch turns out, got these long kind of flat panels. It's the same on both sides with these loose spots in between. So let's get that card set up so that we can see. Move that out of the way. And now we'll try, which I'll move my loom, so I'll be wrapping the same way. Okay, so we are at our anchor hook. From there, we go below this bottom peg over the top. Now we're going to skip 3. Okay, under the bottom peg over the top. We're going to skip 3 of these pegs over here and go around that one, and you go up. And then you're just picking these up in between. And then you repeat it, but this time we're skipping 1, 2, 3. We're doing the same thing, but then we're moving to the next set of 3. And we pick all these up. Then we move to the next set of 3. But there is no, I don't have enough pegs, so I just go and pick up this last one. Actually, no, that's not how I want to do it. Sorry. Okay. We'll just do 2 sets of the 3. We're at this last one. We're going to go over the bottom. And if we watch this, we just turn it. See, it has you go like that, where you did just kind of like an S. Now we'll just go back down and follow this whole pattern backwards. Go all the way over. Which, hold on, I'm pushing some of this down. This is definitely an odd one. But at least this is one that once you get your cast on done, maybe your first couple rows you might want to look at your card, but after that the pattern stays the same. The reverse pattern isn't opposite of the first pattern, which I already took, and oh, maybe I didn't. Okay. So we got 2 rows. Now our cast on, I mean. We just take this bottom loop over this top loop all the way down. And we turn over to the other side. We do the same. Those bottom loops, which was your first row you wrapped, over top the second loops, which was that second row you wrapped. Push those down. Looks kind of messy, but this is what the cast on looks like for this. Alright, I hope this helps. Any questions? Just comment below. Thank you for watching.